Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the real Cass Perry, you can call me Cass, and today we are going to be making sweet potato salad and catfish. So the first thing that I am going to do is preheat my oven to 370 degrees. And peel my sweet potato. Alrighty, so we're gonna chop this baby up. And a knife. Hey, Peter.
Hey, baby. Cook up them yams.
Gotta love them yams.
Gotta love them yams.
Alright, so we slice the sweet potatoes across and then 4 ways, or I guess 2 ways down. Now we must slice these very well. We will add them into the pan. Dropped a piece. Oh well. Nessa will get it. Nessa loves sweet potato. I'm surprised she's not out here while I'm cooking. She normally always is. Sweet potatoes. Okay, now that that is all done up, Wipe this off and put it in the sink to be washed. Wipe this off and put it beside the sink to be washed. And olive oil. Okay. Pepper. Oh, the oven's ready, right on time. That goes in there. Step number 2. These here are my walnuts for the salad. So we have walnuts. Is that heating up? Let that warm up some. Okay, it's starting to warm up. Okay, so first we have a bit of brown sugar. A little bit of maple syrup, because who doesn't love maple? And the teensiest, weensiest, tiniest bit of corn syrup. So we have readied our catfish. Our candied nuts are on the go. The catfish is all spiced and in the pan. So these here are our candied nuts after they are all finished up. Don't they look delicious? Mm-hmm. That looks beautiful. This is going to be yummy. Very, very yummy. We have our candied nuts that we've made. We have spring mixed greens. And we are adding our sweet potatoes that we have baked. Our catfish is almost all finished up. Now I'm going to add red onion and some homemade dressing. I will film myself making the homemade dressing as well after everything's all finished cooling down and ready to serve. But I'm going to make some homemade dressing for the salad, add in some red onion, and put in goat cheese, herb garlic goat cheese to be exact. Okay guys, so now for our dressing. Yes, I did put red onion into an old jar that I used, that was from the store that I washed out. Okay, so first things first, we add a teeny tiny little bit of Dijon. Dijon mist. Next, we are going to add a teensy bit of olive oil. Now, a little bit of our maple syrup. Little touch of honey. And balsamic vinegar. Take our jar, screw it on, shake the shit out of it, have a little sip of water. It is very important that you stay hydrated. Okay, that is nice and emulsified. That is how to make your own red onion vinaigrette with maple syrup. This looks delicious. Okay, so that is all finished up, and I will show you guys when it's finished and completed. Okay guys, that is our catfish and sweet potato salad. That looks delicious. I'm going to enjoy this.